I'm doing this video to show you how to join the work, navigate your way around, and make your first incentivized contribution on the Paragon DAO. The way we work and distribute value over the internet is drastically changing. And so people are looking out for platforms that is more decentralized, flexible, and enables them to work remotely, leveraging their contemporary skills. And this is exactly what the work is about. I consider it to be the Web3 version of Upwork. Okay, it's basically a Web3 native project management platform that enables you to make contributions and you get real-time rewards in form of the native DAOs token that you actually contributed for. So you'll be needing your private wallet and as well a Discord account in order for you to successfully navigate throughout this platform. So let's dive in. So you come to your browser and you type dework.xyz, right? When you do that, this is the interface you're going to be seeing on the first interaction. And then you come up to this part here and you click on open app. Now, before you do this, ensure you've already installed your MetaMask, right? And added it as extension to your browser because you'll be needing it to do the basic connections. Okay, still on the top right hand side of the screen, you click on connect. Okay, welcome to the work. So you have the option of choosing Discord and MetaMask, right? We're going to be using MetaMask. When we log in, we'll also add up the Discord to the account. So here you're supposed to sign in the signature request. So let's give it some time. Okay, you sign in. It's connecting. Awesome. So you see now, are you saying this? My account is, I already had an account, but I had to log out, okay, for the sake of this particular video that I'm doing, in order for you to, start from afresh. So this is just how you create your account and you log in. So when you're here, you're seeing this is the home page, okay, where you have top DAOs, open bounties, which we're going to be looking at, right? Where we'll see how you can make your first contribution on a Paragon DAO, okay? So here you have your discover or search engine part. You have tax feed. You have tax feed is actually more like your feed where you will see all of the projects you've recently interacted with. It's going to show here recent tax. Are you seeing? These are the recent tax or projects I've actually interacted with. This is where it would show under the tax feed. Then the inbox, it's where you get notifications for payments for a tax you've already completed, like this. You're seeing this total reward is processing. So this is where you get all of these notifications for payments, for tax approved. See, this is even for the Paragon DAO that we're going to be looking at. For a tax I applied for, and I'm already getting notification. I got this notification last Monday, okay, that the tax has been approved. That means I can go ahead and complete it. So you're going to be getting all of this notification in the inbox. So always look out for your inbox. And then my tax bar, this actually shows the projects you've actually completed. Okay, it's where you get, it shows the projects you've completed, and it also shows some other projects that are actually been assigned. All right, now this is one place I would love you to pay attention to, your profile. Okay, it's really important. Okay, this is the projects you've actually completed. It shows under your profile. Okay, so you come here, you click on edit profile. So since you're interacting with the platform for the very first time, all of this is going to be empty, right? So you're expected to put in the username you'd love to be identified with on the platform. Okay, you put up your bio and then the URL to the respective media platforms you're seeing here. This is for GitHub, LinkedIn, Twitter. Okay, and then if you have maybe a personal website or something, you can add it there. And then most importantly, this part, it's where you're supposed to put the username to your Discord account. Please ensure you do that, the username. Okay, this is where you're supposed to put it, and then you click on save. After you've done that, ensure you also click on settings. Now, under settings, remember I mentioned you'll be connecting to your Discord, right? So first we've connected to our private wallet, and then you need Discord now for the intra community connections and communications I talked about. So I'm going to disconnect and add again so you see how to do it. All right. So you now come here, you click on connect with Discord. All right. So it's going to take us to Discord and ask us to verify if we actually want to connect our Discord account to that particular platform. Awesome. So this is the message you're getting. Get access to your username, know what server you're in and all of that. So you click on authorize. Authorize. I think it's loading. I've already clicked on it. So once it's authorized, that means we've successfully connected our private wallet and our Discord to the work platform now. So I think we're good to go to make our first contribution. Awesome. This is cool, right? So let's go back to the home page. So when you come to the home page, you're going to be seeing different DAOs here, right? This is the search engine where you're supposed to search for. DAOs actually stand for decentralized autonomous organizations. Okay. Now, one interesting thing about this platform is actually a platform for the people and by the people. Okay, so whatever DAO you actually join, okay, you have the opportunity or privilege to, actively contribute and as well take part in the governance of that particular ecosystem, right? So we have different DAOs here, and these are the respective members as of the time in the respective DAOs. Now, this video is actually inspired by Paragon. Okay, so I'm going to be looking at the Paragon DAO, right? This is an amazing platform indeed. Okay, now what exactly is Paragon about? Let's just take a dive and let's just check it up to see what this particular project is about and why you need to be a part of that DAO. Now, the platform is actually an economic and social partner DAO to promising blockchain-powered gaming ecosystem. So it's more of a platform that's supporting gaming ecosystems on the blockchain. This is really amazing. Okay, and now if you check to this part, it's saying while the game is in its infancy, growing a strong community is paramount. This is where they're actually giving access to a wider audience, that would enfranchise new users and inspire greater participations. From here, the community of paragons decide what the DAO becomes. Help us lead the way, become a paragon today. I'm already a paragon and I'm very positive on this particular project. Okay, so it's very important for you to join. Look at this. Okay, from here, the community of paragons decide what the DAO becomes. Okay, a DAO, like I mentioned, it's a community of DAO stands for decentralized autonomous organization. That means everybody to a greater extent has a role to play in determining the governance, the activity that happens in that particular ecosystem. So let's go back to our platform again, right? This is where we were. So let me just type it again so you still follow up, right? Paragon DAO, building the future around play to earn gaming with PDT. That means this particular ecosystem gives you the opportunity, the leverage to play games and you're earning PDT tokens. That's a good way to have fun online, if you ask me. All right, so let's see how we can make our first contribution. Okay, so when you come to this part, right, you're going to be seeing a list of different skills, a list of different tasks that you can actually contribute to. So what you're expected to do is you go through them. Now, from time to time, this list you're seeing here would be refreshed. Okay, so some will be taken out if someone has actually attended to it, and then other new ones will be added up to the list as well. Okay, now this was listed this was 6 hours ago, 3 months ago, an hour ago, an hour ago. Okay, so develop a writing style guide for Paragon DAO, right? And this is showing no one has actually picked up any of these tasks as of the moment now. So imagine taking up these tasks. It's a writing gig, and then you'll be getting this as reward. Oh goodness, this is awesome. $200 in PTT. That means you'll be paid in this particular token after you've completed the task, and of course after it's been approved. Okay, so this money will be paid directly to your account, and it will reflect in the private wallet you had already connected to this platform. Isn't that amazing? This is cool if you ask me. All right, so this other one, it's create an article for multi-farm dashboard launch, a tutorial, okay, accepting bounties. This is awesome. So you just have to go through and select the one you think fits your skill sets, right? Now we'll have other categories also. Let me just show you. You have categories for development, that's web development, design, translation, writing, marketing, community, project, research. Okay, so the respective tasks you'll be seeing here might fall under any of these categories. Okay, it might fall under any of these categories. Now let's just take a look at which one should I go for. DAO to accepting bounties. So let's imagine I want to do something like this. Okay, so I click on it. This is how you send in applications. Okay, or what they would refer to as proposal, indicating your interest in performing a particular task. Okay, now some of the tasks you see I'm interested. For some other tasks you see submit. Okay, now for this interested part, it means you need to show interest first. Okay, you need to get approval before you go ahead to do the task, and then you come back later to this particular place and then submit the task. Okay, let's say pasting a link that will lead the reviewer to the completed task. Okay, so please take note of that. All right, so um let's see what we are supposed to do. Would love a walkthrough video created to explain how new users can join the work platform and accept our Polygon DAO bounties. Which is exactly what I'm doing now. I think they're repeating the task for, maybe some other people or something. Alright, so if I click on this, that means I'm performing the same task twice. Okay, so I think I should go for some other tasks since I've already done something like this. Let's check up on a writing guide. Okay, just give me a moment. I'm just thinking of which I create an article for multi-farm dashboard launch. Okay, let me go for this because since it's already repeating. So what you're supposed to do, I'm just doing this for the sake of this particular video. Okay, normally I'm not supposed to apply for the same tax twice because I've already been given approval for this already. Okay, so if you're interested, you click on I'm interested, and then it's going to bring you up to this part where you're supposed to, when can you do this? Okay, so you click on the date you want to start. So I'm choosing today, and then when you want to end, right? So let me just choose few days from now. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Let's say 5 days from now. All right, so here they're asking, please tell us or show us anything similar that you've done before. All right. So in this case, since it's a video tutorial, I think you would have to, let's say, go to YouTube or anything you've done that's in video format, okay, like a tutorial or something, and you paste the link here. I don't want to apply for the syntax twice, okay? So you paste the link here and you click on I'm interested, okay? Now once you click on I'm interested, it's gonna you see a notification button here saying you've submitted, okay, and then it will bring up what is called a task. The person that actually sent this particular task here, it's called a task reviewer, right? So it will bring up that task reviewer's name for you to be able to chat with him or her on their Discord channel, okay? So that's the feedback you're supposed to get there, right? And then one thing I need to take you to do it, the dial Discord server. So always ensure at some point it might have shown. Okay, I've just clicked on it, it's loading. Okay, this is what I wanted to show you, right? Once I clicked on that, now it's taking me to here, right? So always ensure you follow them, okay? So when you follow them, it's going to connect you to their Discord server where you now do that interactions, all right? Where you do the interactions. So let's go to, I've already applied for those tasks. Okay, let me just go through it for the sake of proper understanding. Let me just take any of this. All right. Okay, I'm just doing it so I can just show you on how it's supposed to show if you applied. All right, I choose this. I choose font. Okay, font is too close. Let me take 6. All right. So this is a writing gig. So I'm going to look out for an article or something that I've done before. So I'll just go to Medium. I want to look out for any article I've written and copy the link to that particular article. That's my Medium page. So let me check for any article I've written before this time. Stories get published. Let me use this social media listening. I copy the URL, come back to where we were, all right, and then paste it there, okay, and then click on I'm interested. It's loading. Let's just give it some time. Awesome. So this is what I was talking about. Submitted. You will now be able to chat with the task reviewer on Discord, okay, that we've created for you in Paragon's DAOs server. So ensure you follow them, right, on their server so you'll be able to continue with the conversations and know if the task is approved or not. Okay, it's very important. So I'm going to click on open Discord. Let me open in web. Okay, so let's go and check to see. So it's leading us to the Discord server for that particular DAO we're interacting with. Just give it a moment, it's loading. Awesome. Okay, so this is it, right? So we're automatically in the Paragon's DAO now. That's the server. Look at this is the task I just interacted with now. Is the Paragon DAO. Okay. there's a task, right? So I click on it, it's already showing here. So it's in, you just applied, right? Look at the timing, just a few minutes ago. So this is a private thread with this person that I'm supposed to, where we can discuss the task. Okay, so if you want to, you can click on it. Okay, and then maybe start up a private chat with him. Hello, I just applied for this particular task, right? And it will be reviewed, and once it's approved, okay, always watch out for your inbox. Okay, always watch out for your inbox. So you always come here to home and be checking your inbox from time to time. Okay, once it's approved, you get the notification here, like you're seeing this other one. Okay, you get the notification, and then you can go ahead and do the task. After you've done it, come here and click on it. Okay, and then you submit it. Okay, you click on it and then you submit it. I don't know why here has not. It's supposed to be submit, because I've already applied for this and it's been approved for me. I think it's some glitch, right? But normally here we will change to submit. Okay, so you can click on it and then it will bring up a space for you to paste the link to that task you've done, and it will be processed and payment will be made to you. All right, guys, I hope this helps. Thank you.